guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. Today I'm super excited because I'm sharing some details of this new wig that I'm wearing. I absolutely love it. I'm going to give you all the details about it, so if you want to know more, just keep watching. One of the styles that I can say I fell in love with. From the moment it was finished, I looked in the mirror, I was literally like, wow, honestly. So I'll give you the details on the hair and then I'll let you know who made the wig. So the hair is from Maxglam hair. I apologize, I don't have the original packaging it came in. The hair was all wrapped in this and it was put in a box which had their logo on it, and you can see it says there as well Maxglam on that sticker. That's basically like their logo. Also, it had an after sale service instruction booklet, just a really small booklet, just how to kind of look after your hair, where to find them, email addresses, WhatsApps and stuff like that. It's actually really cool that you can contact them via WhatsApp. People find WhatsApp very personal, but at the same time, I mean, it's also really good for business. If you know what you want to buy, you send them a WhatsApp message, they can get right back to you. So I think that's a plus. I was sent 3 bundles of 14-inch. This is their raw Indian hair, which means obviously it hasn't been chemically processed, it hasn't been dyed. And I was also sent a 14-inch lace closure. So the reason why I requested all of those bundles and the closure in 14-inch is because I knew what style I wanted to make, and I knew that I didn't need anything longer than 14. Anything shorter than 14 would have been a risk. I like my bobs a certain length. I do like them shoulder length. I think if they're anything shorter than that, I then start to look a little bit like soccer mum, and no, I'm not here for that. So I was very particular with the length of the hair. So this is how long the hair actually is. Raw hair will always have a kind of kink to it. So this is why you can see these kinks in it here. But when it came time to straighten it, it was super easy to run the straighteners right through it. It didn't take her long at all. I think she ran the straighteners through it maybe 2-3 times and she let it go and she went on to another section. So she used about 2 bundles, I believe. I think it's about 2 bundles and a bit. I wouldn't say this is like a half. I'd say 2 bundles and a bit. On here, I still have quite a lot of hair here. So yeah, she used about 2 bundles and a little bit, and she did that because she didn't want the bob to be too full. She explained that obviously if she had used all 3 bundles that it would have been too thick, and when she was cutting it down, and when it comes to cutting it down, it would look way too thick. So when I saw it, I agreed with her completely. I understood what she was talking about. To have so much hair and volume in a bob kind of defeats the purpose of it being a bob. You want it to be sort of light, really have a lot of movement in it, which this one does. I love the style. Edgy, but it's sexy, it's cute, it works so perfectly, and I feel like it's like my style for the summer. I have tried their hair before. I have used Maxglam hair before, and I will show you that video up in the cards section, so just click up and you'll see the video for that. It's a curly wig, so these are two completely different textures, which I think is really good because I've tried their curly and I've tried their straight, and both of them, in my opinion, the hair was really good. Great textures, great body, their closures are well constructed, and their bundles are also nice and full, and they feel really good. So I can say that my experience of Maxglam hair has been a good one. If you guys have used them before, let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts on their hair was. But personally, I have loved the hair from them that I have tried. So I've got a closure up here. This is how big the closure is. It basically goes all the way around like that. So we've got a closure there, and we've got obviously the bundles that she stitched. She bleached the knots on the closure. She said it just gives it a nice little tint that allows it to look a lot more natural. Especially to a closure, you shouldn't really need to pluck a closure too much, because closures are kind of, they come ready for you to use, so to speak. Of course, if you want to customize the front a little bit, the hairline, you can, but most of the time you don't really need to do that with closures. She added a little bit of, I think she said L'Oreal True Match foundation, just a little bit to the parting. I think that was underneath the lace, so not up top here. We're gonna get into the wig maker, right? This wig was made by Sandra Amika, and she is a wig maker, hairstylist, and she's based in London. So when I got to hers, she had sewn the closure and the hair onto, of course, the wig cap, and it was still this long, so she wanted to cut and trim and style it on me. So obviously when I got there, I put it on, and she just kind of begun straightening it out. She combed it all out, made sure all the hair was laying where it should be, and then she got out clippers and she just trimmed all around. Obviously she took her time with it.
Change positions.
literally, she just ran the straighteners through it again and she was like, you're done. I could not believe the speed that she did this in. I would have been on this for like 2 days, honestly, making sure it's perfect, getting scissors, getting clippers. Everything about this wig works. I'm happy about the length I picked for the bundles and the closure. I'm happy with the type of hair I picked from Maxglam. I'm happy that it was from Maxglam because their hair is incredible, honestly. And thank you to Maxglam hair for this amazing hair, guys. If you guys are interested in some raw Indian hair, make sure you check out the description box so you guys can see the links to Maxglam hair's website, and you can obviously shop their bundles as well for yourself. You guys also should check out their Instagram. They do have an Instagram, so do check them out there. And also please check out my girl Sandra Amika. Her details are also going to be in the description box. Her website where you can book her for your wigs, your sew-ins, all sorts, and as well as her Instagram. So do please check her out in the description box and show her some love because she's really talented. And I think that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.